Hi everyone, Noriko です。今日も漢字の練習一緒にしましょう。Let's practice 漢字 together. 今日は6、7、8、9、10、6、7、8、9、10の練習をします。First, number 6. 6 is small dots 6 from left to right, left side, right side. 6、6、7、7 from left to right, from up, down, slightly curved into the right. な or し ち 7 しち Next one 8 left side from slightly curved right side this way 8 8 8 Number 9 9 from up to down slightly curved towards to the left from right to from left to right and going down slightly curved small up. That's Q. 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 Q or Q. Two way of reading. 次. Next. 10. 10. It's easy. From left to right, up, top to down. It's like a plus. It's also same length, horizontal, vertical, same length, and cross in the middle. That's 10. 10. In the previous lesson, we did from 1 to 5. So let's see 11. What's 11 makes? Which is 10 plus 1. So 10, 12. 10 plus 2, 12. 12. So simple, isn't it? And let's check. How about 20 then? 20, which is 2 times 10. Yes, Bunny, you can jump. Jump. You can jump. 20, sorry, my dog. Is 20. That's 20. 34, which is 2 times 3 times 10 plus 4. So 3, 3, 10, 10. Then remember 4, 4. This is 4. 34. Okay, buddy, come on, you can jump. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. Come on, you can do it by yourself. Okay, mommy is busy. Oh, sorry. Okay, 34. And 56. Let's try 56. 5 times, sorry. I'm sorry. 5 times 10 times plus 6. 5. Remember this? 5. 56. 56. So with this theory, logic, you can count up to 99. So what do you think? Q. Actually, it's supposed to be, according to the textbook, down this order. It has to be this order, stroke order. 9, T, Q, J, and Q. So from up to down, from left to right, Q, J, Q. Now, here, so you can write from 1 to 99 in kanji. Easy. Sorry about the dog. It's funny, noisy. Sorry. Bye.